Hello.
Hello, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Wang.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What are your hobbies?
I like swimming
Okay, what's your favorite subject?
because I want to be.
What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject?
I like math.
Why?
Why?
Because
Because I want to be an English teacher.
Okay. When is your birthday?
When your birthday? My birthday July.
July. And what do you want to drink?
I want some. I want some lemonade.
What do you want to eat?
I want some rest.
What do you do on Saturday?
I do homework.
What do you do on Monday?
I study at school.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 6:45.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 6:30.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Okay. Where is your school?
Your school is in the village.
Okay. How many buildings are there at your school?
My building at your school. Building. There are 3 buildings at my school.
How many computer rooms are there at your school?
There is 1 computer room at my school.
What subjects do you have on Friday?
Friday. I have math.
What do you do at the weekend?
Weekend. I play football.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What can you do?
I can play football.
Okay. What can your mother do?
My mother can cook.
What can your father do?
My father can swim.
What can your sister do?
My sister can ride a bike.
What do you do on Tuesday?
I study at school.
When do you have science?
I have it on Friday.
When is your sports day?
It's in March.
Where were you last summer?
I was in Đà Nẵng City.
Ready? You got to do 3 and then